So, it's the brand new Moto Z2 Play with the JBL Sound Boost 2 sound dock, and I thought I'm here in Goa, बाहर बैठ के cloudy मौसम हो रहा है. Whoa, let me pause this first. Oh man, this is good sound for a phone. Now, I thought I should come out here in the open, खुले आसमान और नारियल के पेड़ों के नीचे बैठकर आपसे बात करनी चाहिए about the brand new Moto Z Play, Z2 Play. Yeah, it's a brand new device. That's what we are here in Goa for. Check it out. It's got a metal back this time. It's got a 12 megapixel f1.7 rear camera with 1.4 micron pixel size. I mean 1.4 micron size pixel, which is basically a lot of photon data even in low light. Front 5 megapixel with dual tone flash, 5.5 inch full HD screen. इसके अलावा of course there's fingerprint sensor, there's 4 GB RAM, 64 GB storage, separate micro SD card slot, dual SIM card, and Qualcomm Snapdragon 626 processor. Does everything that your typical mid-tier, you know, medium premium phone does. Yeah, people are cycling here and I'm sitting and talking about a phone. Such is life. No, but I love it, especially because of the cool implementation of mods. So last year Motorola basically surprised and shocked everyone in an industry जहाँ पे हर नया phone पुराने phone की तरह ही दिखता है. They tried to make a bold move by coming up with something called mods, which are modular attachments. Okay, now if you take a look, see this? These are actually 16-pin gold-plated connectors, and throughout the rear of this phone there are multiple magnets. इससे होता ये है कि जो mods हैं यानी modular चीज़ें हैं, you see the connector here, you see the connector here, and magnets all over. All you do is bring it close to each other. That's it. It sticks, and it's a nice snug fit. Now this mod, for example, is the power pack. All right. Now you just slap this on. अब इसमें wireless charging की काबिलियत है. So you take it to a wireless charger and your phone charges wirelessly. There are multiple mods. So last year this experiment of Motorola ruffled up quite a few feathers. They had a rather controversial skip the 7s ad campaign, which was nice and bold. They basically said, forget iPhone 7, forget Galaxy S7, just look at this brand new rendition of doing a phone. And that's bold and that's important in an industry जहाँ पे सब लोग बस एक दूसरे के जैसे दिखने वाले phones बनाते हैं, and there's hardly any differentiation यार. मतलब कटरीना कैफ या फिर ऋतिक रोशन या दीपिका पादुकोण या रणवीर सिंह या आलिया भट्ट, I think these are the only differentiators left in phones anymore these days. So the Moto Z Play was a very cool one. One mod जिसको लेके मैं बेहद ज़्यादा excited था, that was the Hasselblad attachment. Again, just like any other mod, bring them together, and what you have is a Hasselblad 10x optical zoom wala camera. It's interesting. The whole implementation. Of course, I didn't think much of the image quality of the Hasselblad. ये daylight में तो बहुत ही बढ़िया photos और videos लेता है. 10x optical zoom. You literally zoom into amazing details जो आपके mobile phone से कभी दिखते नहीं होंगे. And the best part is it's all on your phone. It's saved locally on your phone, which means instantly आप social media पे share कर सकते हैं. So it was fantastic. So which is why they've obviously come up with a सक्सेसर, क्योंकि सालाना जो एनुअल रिफ्रेश साइकिल होते हैं वो करना ही पड़ता है ताकि बैलेंस शीट पे नंबर्स बढ़ते रहें एंड सेल्स और मार्केट शेयर बढ़ता रहे. माय फेवरेट मॉड आउट ऑफ ऑल ऑफ दीज, एक्चुअली अमंग द टू फेवरेट्स, इसमें सब ग्रास अब इकट्ठा हो रही है, इज दिस निफ्टी लिटिल थिंग विच इज अ प्रोजेक्टर. यू सी दिस, इट्स ब्यूटिफुल. लगभग 60-70 इंच का स्क्रीन आप देख सकते हैं. You can project it absolutely anywhere, and the cool thing is there's this contraption. तो आप इसको flat रख के सीधा ये जो projector lamp है यहाँ पे जो lens है, you can project it right up to your ceiling, so you can lie down flat, susegad, go on chilled out life, and you can watch stuff. The cool thing is ये जो सारे mods हैं, they come with their own battery. इसके अंदर बैटरी भी होती है. So it keeps the accessory charged, it keeps your phone charged. It's win-win. Okay, just quickly showing you the 6 mods that I have here. There is a Hasselblad mod. Okay, this is not brand new. पुराने जो mods हैं वो भी सारे नए Moto Z2 Play पे चलेंगे. You have the projector mod with the projector in here. You have these power pack mods which basically give wireless charging kabiliyat. Oh wait, this is the power pack which has actual battery built in, which is 2220 milliamp hour. There is another one turbo power pack जिसमें 3500 milliamp की capacity होगी. This is the wireless charging one. You just slap this onto your phone and your phone becomes wireless charging compatible. And then of course the one I've shown you earlier, my favoritist, which is the JBL Sound Boost 2. ये अभी launch नहीं हुआ है, ये साल के end तक they are saying they're going to launch it. Fantastic sound and splash proof. And then there is this Incipio का car attachment, car dock, vehicle dock. So ये basically आपके जो AC के जो slats होते हैं उसके अंदर चला जाएगा. And this holds on to your phone nice and snug, and this articulates. So आप उसकी direction change कर सकते हैं. Now a lot of people are saying कि for 27,990 rupees, boss, it is an expensive phone. मतलब क्या सोच के Motorola ने ये price रखी है? क्योंकि okay man, we'll listen to some music after I'm done with this video. क्या सोच के ये price रखी है, considering, you know, like you get OnePlus 3T or 3, Xiaomi Mi5, Mi6, and Oppo का अभी F3 Plus dual selfie camera. So I don't think it's expensive. Of course it's premium. मतलब ये Moto G या G5, Moto G series का जो G5 Plus है उसके जैसा फ़ोन है. This is a mid premium device जिसे flagship killer कहा जाता है. And I think it's a justified price tag. Of course it would be nice अगर ये 23,000 या 24,000 रुपए का होता, but such is life now. You can't really decide that. But the interesting thing is जो compatibility इसकी mods के साथ है ना. अभी तो 6-7 mods market में हैं, but what Motorola has also done is they have actually set up a fund. अगर आपके पास कोई idea है एक brand new mod बनाने की, तो फिर you can pitch the idea to Motorola. If they like it, they will actually fund your idea. और आप prototype बना के अगर successful हुआ, approve हुआ, then you can of course go ahead and launch this in the market. So they have what you have, you know, in a way they have opened up a developers bootcamp sort of thing. There was a hackathon जहाँ पे ढेर सारे नए ideas आए थे for brand new mods, and so you have to look at it in that perspective. सिर्फ एक phone to phone comparison अगर करोगे, then you might feel कि यार 28,000 रुपए का महंगा है Moto Z2 Play. But if you look at this whole beautiful ecosystem of आपने एक बार फ़ोन खरीदा और नई काबिलियत उस फ़ोन में लाने के लिए, फिर चाहे वो अमेजिंग नया कैमरा एक्सपीरियंस हो, अमेजिंग बैटरी हो, अमेजिंग साउंड हो, प्रोजेक्टर हो, या आने वाले दिनों में और भी कुछ हो, वायरलेस चार्जिंग हो, आपको एक नया डिवाइस खरीदने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. इन अ वे इट्स एनवायरमेंटली फ्रेंडली, बिकॉज आप एक बार डिवाइस खरीद रहे हैं, अर्थ वाला खुश हो रहा है, गैजेट वाला के साथ, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक वेस्ट कम प्रोड्यूस हो रहा है. बिकॉज एक फ़ोन को जो आप अगर एक साल में रिसाइकल या फिर चेंज कर देते, यू कैन प्रॉब्ली यूज इट फॉर कपल ऑफ ईयर्स एंड जस्ट कीप एडिंग ऑन टू द मॉड्स. I would really love to see, however, a new way of buying या फिर exchanging mods. अगर आपने Moto Z Play खरीदा है और आपके पास पुराने mods हैं, I would have loved it अगर कोई cashback scheme होती कि पुराना JBL Sound Dock वापस दे के थोड़ा cashback मिलेगा on the new JBL Sound Dock. They haven't announced anything like that, but the cool thing is that you can, however, buy any dock, any mod of your choice at 50% of the price. अगर आप 8 जून से 14 जून तक pre-booking करते हैं अपने फ़ोन की, then that is one option, one goodie that's available. But that's the Moto Z2 Play. I think it's a brand new, bold way of looking at smartphones, modular smartphones, and it is definitely something जो big guns है, Samsung, Apple, and everyone else, they should definitely look at this approach. They should explore modular approach ताकि हर साल ज़बरदस्ती आपको नया फ़ोन नहीं खरीदने की ज़रूरत है, जहाँ पे सिर्फ incremental 1-2 changes होते हैं. So this is Gadgetwala, signing out from Goa. It's beautiful out here. I think I'm gonna go back to my song. कहाँ गए थे आप?